Welcome to From the Floor. So this is the Asus ROG NX Cherry Red. I really love this keyboard. It's very nice and compact. Has the arrow keys, which I find that I didn't really think about it too much until I started trying keyboards that didn't have that, and I really wanted them. The biggest issue I had with this keyboard is it's got 20,000 hour battery life, but no one told me how heavy this keyboard is. Um, it weighs in 2 pounds, 8.5 ounces, which doesn't sound like a much, but when it's sitting on your lap and you're taking it to travel and stuff, it's a lot. It's very heavy, and the battery runs the entire width of the keyboard, so it is well balanced. Um, but yeah, it's